Humanity has always dreamed of bending time, of stepping into a machine, pushing a button, and either reliving the past or leaping into a distant future. We see it in our stories, our myths, our wildest scientific fantasies. But what if the ultimate time machine isn't a gleaming contraption built in a lab, but a monstrous cosmic vortex that already exists, devouring light and warping reality itself? What if the very fabric of time is not a steady river, but a raging waterfall around these abyssal giants? Prepare yourselves, because the deepest, darkest secrets of the cosmos hold a shocking truth about time travel. Are black holes truly the universe's ultimate temporal architects, or something far more terrifying? Forget the gleaming, impossible contraptions of science fiction. The universe built its own time machine, and it's not for the faint of heart. It's a black hole, a monstrous cosmic predator that doesn't just devour matter, it devours time itself. This isn't theoretical speculation. It's a brutal, unyielding truth, carved into the very fabric of space-time by Einstein's general relativity. Gravity warps time, and nothing warps it like a black hole. Imagine an astronaut, a brave, perhaps foolish pioneer, strapped into a vessel, not falling into the abyss, but merely hovering at its edge, dancing precariously close to the maw of oblivion. To her, time flows normally. A minute is a minute, an hour. But back on Earth, light years away, a horrifying cosmic secret is unfolding. For every tick of her spacecraft's clock, years are screaming past on her homeworld. Decades, centuries, millennia. Her children grow old and die. Their children and their children's children rise and fall. Entire civilizations blossom and vanish, all while she experiences what feels like a mere handful of years. This isn't some abstract mathematical anomaly. It's gravitational time dilation, amplified to an apocalyptic degree. Think of it like a cosmic escalator, moving relentlessly upwards. The closer you get to that immense gravitational well, the more the escalator accelerates, pulling you faster and faster into the future. You don't feel the acceleration, because your time is slowing down relative to everything else, but the universe outside is racing ahead, leaving you stranded in a future you'll never recognize. The black hole doesn't just bend light, it twists the very continuum of existence, compressing the future into an instant from the perspective of those near its gravitational clutches. It's the ultimate one-way ticket, a forced march into tomorrow, leaving everything you know to crumble into dust behind you. This is the universe's most profound secret about time. It is a variable, a fluid, a current that can be stretched and compressed by the monstrous gravity of a collapsed star. And the closer you dare to approach, the more brutally it reveals its power, dragging you inexorably forward through the cosmic calendar, the threshold, the ultimate cosmic boundary. It's called the event horizon, a spherical membrane of no return, where the universe itself divides into an inside and an outside. Imagine our intrepid astronaut still hovering, her time dilated, watching eons unfold on distant Earth. But if she dares to nudge her thrusters, if she crosses that invisible line, the rules shatter. For her, there's no dramatic lurch, no cosmic alarm. She just continues. A new, terrifying reality begins to unfold from the perspective of anyone outside that horizon, watching her descent. Something profoundly unsettling occurs. She appears to slow down, to freeze, her image reddening, fading, becoming a ghostly echo against the cosmic backdrop. She never quite crosses from their view. Her light, struggling against the black hole's grip, becomes infinitely stretched, infinitely delayed, trapped forever just a hair's breadth from the edge. She becomes a fossilized moment, burned into the cosmic tapestry, a perpetual, almost there for eternity. The universe watches, helpless, as she dissolves into an endless, agonizing moment of transition. But inside, inside is where the true horror and wonder begin. Once she breaches that event horizon, space and time swap roles. What was once a direction you could choose, forward, backward, left, right, becomes an inescapable, singular path. There is only one direction, inward, towards the singularity. And that inward pull isn't just spatial, it's temporal. The singularity, that infinitely dense point of cosmic oblivion, lies not just at the center of space, but at the end of her time. She is being dragged not just through space, but through time to an inescapable future, a final, crushing moment. She is locked on a trajectory to the cosmic heat death, a passenger on a one-way trip to the ultimate climax of her former universe. Every second that passes inside the event horizon, she is accelerating, not just towards the singularity, but towards the ultimate future of the universe she left behind. Billions of years could pass in the outside cosmos, while she experiences mere minutes, the entire lifespan of galaxies, the birth and death of stars, the rise and fall of countless civilizations. All of it could flash by in the cosmic blink of an eye from her perspective as she's dragged deeper into the black hole's temporal vortex. This isn't a time travel machine in the sense of choosing your destination. It's a time accelerator, a one-way cosmic express to the end of everything. The event horizon doesn't just trap light, it traps existence, sealing away entire futures from the universe that birthed them. It's the universe's most brutal paradox, a gateway to the future that simultaneously erases your past. If your mind is reeling from these cosmic truths, if you feel the chill of the void and the thrill of discovery, then you know there's so much more to uncover. Don't let these secrets vanish into the abyss. Smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Join our crew of cosmic strategists as we continue to unravel the universe's most mind-bending paradoxes. We've established that black holes are terrifyingly effective time machines to the future. But what about the past? Can these cosmic behemoths offer a shortcut to yesterday, to forgotten moments, to the echoes of what was? The answer, friends, is a resounding, definitive, and utterly crushing no. And here's why the universe slams that door shut with a finality that chills the soul: the singularity. Beyond the event horizon, that point of no return we just discussed, lies the singularity. It's not a place you can visit, not a point you can orbit. It is the end, a point of infinite density, where matter is crushed beyond all recognition, where the very laws of physics, the ones we so meticulously piece together, simply give up and walk away. Imagine all the mass of a star compressed into a volume smaller than an atom. Then imagine it crushed infinitely smaller. That's the singularity. It is the ultimate cosmic shredder, a point where space and time cease to have any meaning we can comprehend. When our astronaut crosses the event horizon, she is not merely falling toward the singularity in space. Because space and time have swapped roles, she is also being dragged inexorably towards it in time. The singularity is not just a destination, it's her absolute, unavoidable future. Every single path, every possible trajectory, every desperate attempt to move away leads only inward and only forward in time towards that final crushing point. There is no going back, not even an inch. Think of it like being caught in an unbelievably powerful river current. Once you're in, you can only go downstream. You can try to swim against it, but the current is too strong. The singularity is that downstream, the ultimate, inescapable, temporal future. There are no eddies, no whirlpools that might spin you backward. The equations of general relativity, the very language of space-time, scream this truth. Once you are inside, the arrow of time points only one way, and it points directly at the singularity. The theoretical concept of closed time-like curves, the mathematical pathways that could allow for travel to the past, are utterly annihilated by the singularity. These curves require a stable, traversable wormhole, a delicate balance of exotic matter and specific space-time geometry. A black hole's singularity is the antithesis of this. It's a violent, unstable, destructive end. It doesn't create shortcuts. It creates dead ends. Any information, any matter, any would-be time traveler that reaches the singularity is not merely destroyed. It is unmade. Its very existence is obliterated from the space-time continuum. So, while a black hole offers an express lane to the future, it simultaneously seals off any hope of revisiting the past. The universe, in its cruel cosmic wisdom, has put a final, unbreachable barrier on temporal reversal. The singularity is the ultimate veto on paradoxes, ensuring that cause always precedes effect, that history remains unalterable, and that the cosmic clock for all its strange distortions, never truly runs backward. It is the universe's ultimate enforcement of causality, a brutal reminder that some doors, once closed, remain shut forever. The cosmic strategist knows that the universe loves irony, and here with black holes, it delivers its most profound, most brutal punchline. These aren't just time machines, they are instruments of exquisite, agonizing temporal cruelty. They offer a one-way ticket to a future you can never rejoin, a journey that isolates you utterly from everything you've ever known. Imagine, again, our astronaut. She's survived the fall somehow. She's inside the event horizon, caught in that relentless temporal current, watching billions of years of cosmic history flash by like a sped-up movie. The universe she left behind, the one with her family, her friends, her entire civilization, has long since crumbled to dust. New stars have been born, new galaxies have formed, new intelligent species might have risen and fallen countless times. She is a ghost, a temporal refugee, witnessing a future that is utterly alien, utterly devoid of any connection to her past. The profound irony lies in the absolute finality of this journey. She has traveled into the future, but what good is it? She can never send a message back. No signal, no matter how powerful, can escape the event horizon to warn, to inform, to simply say, "I made it." She is trapped in a temporal bubble, observing a reality that is fundamentally inaccessible. Her knowledge, her experiences of this hyper-accelerated future are hers alone, forever locked away. This isn't just a theoretical problem, it's a philosophical abyss. What does it mean to travel into the future? If that future is fundamentally unshareable, if you become a temporal orphan, a lonely witness to an existence that has no memory of you, the black hole, in its unyielding power, doesn't just warp time, it severs connection. It rips the temporal thread that binds you to your origin, leaving you adrift in a sea of future moments that offer no harbor, no return. The universe, in its grand, indifferent design, uses black holes as cosmic filters. They are not benevolent guides to new epochs, but rather cosmic shredders of continuity. They ensure that time, for all its relativity, remains a one-way street on the grandest scales. You can accelerate your journey, but you cannot reverse it, and you cannot share the destination with those you left behind. This unyielding law, enforced by the monstrous gravity of black holes, teaches us a chilling lesson about our place in the temporal fabric. We are bound by the arrow of time. Our existence, our connections, our very sense of self are rooted in a linear progression that can be distorted, but never truly broken or reversed. The black hole is the universe's ultimate reminder that time is not a toy to be played with, but a fundamental force that shapes all reality and demands an ultimate, irreversible cost for those who dare to approach its most extreme manifestations. It is the cosmic clockmaker's cruelest masterpiece, a machine that shows you tomorrow, but steals all your yesterdays. We chase the phantom of time travel, dreaming of rewriting history or skipping to a golden age. But the universe, through its most enigmatic children, black holes, offers a stark, unyielding lesson. They are time machines, yes, but not the kind of our fantasies. They are cosmic escalators, dragging us relentlessly forward, revealing a future that will forever be alien, severed from our past. They are the universe's ultimate statement on causality, a one-way, irreversible journey where the past is eternally locked and return is a cosmic impossibility. This isn't just theoretical physics, it's a profound meditation on existence itself. It reminds us that time, for all its fluidity, is a relentless current. We are bound by its flow, propelled forward, never truly able to escape its grasp or revisit its prior moments. The black hole, in its silent, crushing power, is the universe's most brutal, most magnificent clock, forever ticking forward, a monument to the unyielding march of cosmic evolution. Tell me what you liked or disliked about this video. What do you think could be changed to make it better? I read every comment and will respond to every suggestion.